So I'll be showing you how to make your DJI Action 5 Pro display depth and altitude information automatically. So to do that, just swipe down and then tap on settings. Under settings, scroll down to depth and altitude, tap on that, and then you can see diving information. So you can tap on that and then enable depth display. All right. Now also, if you want your camera to automatically record once it detects that you're inside water, and when the depth information is displayed, you can turn that on as well. All right, because sometimes it might be difficult or you might have forgotten, then you can just auto record so that your camera automatically does that. Same goes for hiking and parachuting. So for altitude display, you can enable it by default. And so now when you're parachuting or you're hiking and you have some altitude data to display, your camera should display it by default. All right. And also you can choose the SI unit you want. So the unit you want. So it's currently set to meters. You can change it to feet in case that works better with you. So that is basically how to make your camera automatically display depth and altitude information on your screen when you're doing those activities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.